We will now learn how to do a division in the fractional method. Okay. So, the next topic for you is division in fraction. Okay. So, whenever you get a division in fraction, you have to do it the same way how you do in multiplication, but there is only one step variation in the first step. For example, if I say divide 12 by 15 by 3 by 5. Okay, if that is my question, then how am I going to solve? The first step is I will be doing the reciprocal of the second value. So, what do you mean by reciprocal? The numerator will be swapped with denominator. Okay, so which means that here 3 by 5 will be written as 5 by 3. Okay, so now this will be your reciprocal value. Okay, the second step what I will do is I will write 12 by 15 divided by 3 by 5, which can be written as 12 by 15 into 5 by 3. Why? Because I have reciprocated the value. Now, is it easy for me to simplify? Because the numbers are getting divisible, right? So, here this 3 will be divisible 4 times with 12 and this 5 will be divisible 3 times, right? So, this becomes as 4 by 3, which is my improper fraction. This 4 by 3, how can I write? So, 4 divided by 3. So, 1 3s are 3. So, this can be written as 1 by 3. Is it clear, children? So, what did we do? The first thing is that we made the reciprocal of the second value. Okay. So, which means this 3 by 5 was written as 5 by 3 and then we multiplied the value and whichever was the simplest form available, we tried to simplify the process and then finally whatever the answer came, we made it into the simplest form. Suppose if the value is not getting simplified, then whatever is your answer, that will be the final one. Okay. So, here there is one more thing which you have to keep in mind. Okay. The thing is, suppose if numerator is same and denominator is different. Okay. So, this is the first rule. For example, if it is say 11 by 3, 11 by 17, 11 by 19, 11 by 15, 11 by 21. Okay. So, my numerator is the same, denominator is different. So, how will you arrange it in the ascending order? So, ascending value will be the number with highest value will be the least, which means that here the highest value is 11 by 21. So, it will be 11 by 21 is lesser than 11 by 19 is lesser than 11 by 17 is lesser than 11 by 15 is lesser than 11 by 30. Okay. And if it has to be in the descending order, then it will be 11 by 13 is greater than 11 by 15 is greater than 11 by 17 is greater than 11 by 19 is greater than 11 by 21. So which means that this is my highest value and this is my lowest value. Okay. So whenever you have to do a denominator, when the denominator value is different and when the numerator is same, just remember that the value with the highest value will be considered as the least value and the value with the lesser denomination will be considered as the highest value. So this is how you will be presenting it in the ascending or the descending order. Okay. The next rule which we will be following is, if numerator is different and denominator is same. Okay. Say for example, I have 2 by 11, 3 by 11, 9 by 11, 7 by 11, 5 by 11. Okay. If this is the question, if my numerator is different but the denominator is same, then how we will be writing it in the ascending order? We will follow the chronological order. So for me, it will be, if I have to write it in the ascending order, I will be writing 2 by 11 is less than 3 by 11 is less than 5 by 11 is less than 7 by 11 is less than 9 by 11. And the same thing if I have to write it in the descending order, I will be writing it the other way around. So the highest value 9 by 11 is greater than 7 by 11 is greater than 5 by 11 is greater than 3 by 11 is greater than 2 by 11. Okay. So what did we understand in these two rules, children? If the numerator is different and denominator is same, we will be following the ascending and descending order as per the chronological form. That is 2 being the least and 9 being the highest. So the value which has a least value will be the first, followed by the one which has a higher value, that is to be the highest value. Okay. But if the numerator is same and the denominator is different, then it will be totally upside down. Then the highest value will be considered as the least value or the smallest value, and the value which is in a chronological order which is less, that will be considered as the greatest value. Okay. So based on these sums also, based on these rules, we will be solving couple of questions to make the concept clear. So see you all in the next video.